Okay, so the first thing is that we need to make an extra screen. So I'd like you to click on your actual computer keyboard. From the top left hand side, go along on the top row, 1, 2, 3, the fourth button from the left. It's got three little sort of rectangles on it, and if you click that, it will make your computer do this. And up here you need to add a window, just one. I've got, as you can see, I've got 7 desktops, and now I'm going to put this next to the one that I've got Logic Pro running on, and then I'm going to click on the Logic Pro one. Then using Control, which is the bottom left hand button, hold that down and then click the right arrow. It takes you to your new screen, and then back again takes you to the Logic Pro. So you can run the video on this desktop, and then you go left arrow, control left arrow, takes you back. So you've got some video on one of the screens and your actual other one on this screen. So I'd like you to do that straight away.